flash update for this Tuesday, September 15th, 2020, time about 9:30 in the morning. So as we look at the market, you got an up day in the stock market. Metals giving up, and they were up a lot sharper than this morning. And as I told my morning subscribers that got their videos early, I was looking for gold to hit a brick wall on this rally, and it certainly looks like it has. I am looking for support here in the eurocurrency to start asserting itself on this break, and for the dollar to run into a bit of resistance right up about where it's at right now. In the grain markets, I had pinpointed for my traders yesterday on the subscriber video, and today I was talking to them more about that I thought wheat was the vulnerable character on this rally that we've just had, and it's certainly looking as though I was right in that analysis. Energy markets, the energies have said to you that the $43, $44 range is expensive in Brent. Now the question is it a $35, $37 range that the market says is the right price? We'll start seeing when the markets start to try to balance themselves out. OPEC talked about reduced demand yesterday, so the market had to deal with that. You've got a two-day FOMC meeting that begins today, culminates at 1 o'clock tomorrow with the minutes. Well, actually, I'm sorry, the statement is that comes out of the Fed, and then the 1:30 press conference with Ms. Lagarde. That'll be the first round of what goes on. Then we have the Bank of England, Bank of Japan on Thursday. So as I take a look at all this, the Red Book weekly sales came out, and they're down for the first 2 weeks. And one of the things I had done, I saw their analysts were looking for a little bit of a better number than that. I wasn't. The kids have gone back to whatever we call school is. You're not getting as much of that buying. A lot of schools just aren't open. They have virtual learning. And do you honestly think families are running out in this economy and saying, hey, let me buy you a whole new school wardrobe so you can sit in the kitchen and study? I don't think that's what they're doing right there. The New York Fed Empire State Manufacturing Index, a blowout in every single number. This is good news that is coming out of there, something that we want to see, and it's a good piece there. Import-export price headline recap. So our import prices, we're importing a bit of inflation. Part of it has to do with, I guess, the value of the dollar right here. Our export prices, they weren't so high up, but they're what they were. And if you take a look at petroleum prices, well, they're slipping back, and we see that right there. Then we get to the Federal Reserve's industrial production and capacity numbers, and as I look at them, in most of the categories, they're pretty good numbers. So nothing that's a problem. You had a revision upward in them as we take a look at production was revised upward back in last month. You know, one of the things that we get a lot of questions on here from traders are about how do they trade, how do they learn, how do they do these charts. This is where our charting course comes in. You see me talk to you always about moving averages, the swing lines, how do you work with slow stochastics, what's an embedded reading, what's overbought, oversold, what are my theories on Bollinger Bands, which is one of my big tools, and then window envelope, something that most people don't understand, but it's a standard deviation from the 18-day average of closes. Then I provide, besides that in my charting course, market research with the daily numbers for the window envelope, so you get to see all that as to how it plays out. The course does include my market information, where I'm putting out my daily written updates, buy here, sell there, do this, do that. It also includes the morning videos. So you get access not only to the course videos, but to my futures video. So that is another thing you can look at. We'll even start providing access to our other videos, which are our Spider ETF video. So the course, not expensive, my friends. It's a 6-hour course. Take it at your leisure. It doesn't take much to complete. Most of our clients complete it in about 2 weeks. It comes, if you haven't had our charting software before, with the full charting software package, all the information you need, access to my webinar, and I will be holding another one shortly. I'm planning it right now. And the cost, moderate. You know, I see these courses all over the internet, and they're $1,000 or more. $199.95. Just the research by itself is $60 a month that I charge for. The charting software, the package I give you, if you buy it on a month basis, it's over $100. Then you get all the 6 hours of videos. I think you'll find it's a value that is worth taking a look at. But the idea here is a trading discipline. Go to our website under the keyword research. It explains it. You can always call us. My staff will get right back to you and will explain how this all works. I'm Ira. You have a great day, and I will see you all this afternoon with our market wrap-ups. Take care now.